Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody doing here this morning? Let's get the screen set up here for you guys. Hope everybody's having a good morning this morning. It's a little dark in here. I'm going to turn that light up a bit here. There we go. Take it out of creep vision here. It's not Halloween anymore. I'll get the fucking commercials off here. We don't want commercials. Get away from here. More commercials? Are you kidding me? You gotta love it, eh? Don't worry, I go through it too. Okay, so anyways, how you guys all doing? I'm gonna go through everybody here this morning. Make sure that you can all hear me clearly and stuff. Oh man, I was doing some watching some YouTube videos about 3 in the morning, and my alarm went off. You better get in there and do your podcast. I fell asleep on the couch, and oh my god, there's a reason why I don't do that. Good morning, Christopher. Upgraded to a membership, video chat membership. He's a fucking elite member. Welcome, Chris. Right on, buddy. I get to do some chatting one-on-one with you, bro. I was waiting for that. I have some things I want to talk to you about too, man. Jay, good morning. Citizen, good morning. Alfred, good morning, brother. Sanjay's in the house too. Rodney, good morning, buddy. Good to see you again, man. Good to see all of you. Okay, good. We got our little group here. I was going to make a video this morning, but I fell asleep. I was sitting there. I had my whiteboard out in front of me on my computer there. I was doing some homework there. Good morning, Sasha. I was doing some plotting on my board there, on my whiteboard on my computer, on my laptop, and I was going to make a video on PROG. I was just checking out the way that it goes. Checking out the odds of losing and what's happening to it, how the dark pool has affected it too. Because I was looking at the option calls. Sorry, guys. What the hell? Dog hair all over me. Those little guys, gotta love them. So, anyways, about the options calls and all this stuff, there's definitely something going really weird with that stock. It's not normal, okay? Yeah, so, is it going to squeeze? No, it's not going to squeeze. They're going to stop it from squeezing. It was supposed to do it a couple days ago. So they say, I'll show you some stuff in a bit with it. They're holding it back, and it's not going to squeeze before AMC, guys. It has a lot of volume right now, but if you look over the volume from the beginning of AMC has about 10 times more volume. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys that it's a tactic that they're using, and it's working. Okay, it's pulling volume out of all of these other stocks, and it is what it is. Okay, this thing's still primed to hell. Okay, it's just waiting to fucking go. So, like, it is what it is, guys. Like I said, if I have to wait for this thing for fucking another year, complete as of today, I'm all in, right? So it is what it is, right? I'm not saying it'll take that long. I'm just saying that when I make my mind up to something, it's done, right? So, and with my luck, I'd pull out of it, which I wouldn't right now. I'm up about 50 grand, I think, somewhere around there. But still, it doesn't matter. That's just chump change. That's nothing to me. 50 grand's nothing, right? So, anyways, I'm not saying to some people that's a lot of money. I'm saying for me, that's only half a year's wages, right? 3/4 of a year's wages with taxes. So, anyways, I just wanted to say that I'll get into that in a bit here, guys. We're gonna wait for market to open. I just want to see what happens here. I've got a prediction on that stock. I think it's gonna bleed today. That PROG, it's gonna bleed hard. Assface was sure pissed off on his video last night. Somebody forwarded it to me. I don't know if it was from him. I don't know how creators do that. I think he's seen our video yesterday. I'm prepared for him to make a video about us, okay? So don't get upset if he starts fucking going off on me, okay? Because I already got some things I'm going to talk to him about on live stream, okay? Don't worry, I'll put him in his fucking place. So anyways, enough of that stuff. I'm not being all Mr. Negative this morning. I'm in a good friggin' mood, okay? It is what it is. I'm very, very privileged to be owning these stocks that I do. I'm very, very grateful and privileged to be in a channel with all of you fine ladies and gentlemen. And I don't, is there any ladies on here right now? It doesn't matter. That we have our group of girls here, ladies, and wow, man, they're pretty freaking cool, man. Like, they're just like us. They're crazy. You have to be crazy to be trading this shit. So, anyways, the crypto's having a bit of a pull down too, guys. Today, we talked about that. This is really nothing. I think I'm seeing signs of this pull down again. We seen it about a month and a half ago with this crypto. That is signs, because as you know, you can't make synthetics on. Okay, there's a difference between blood coin and real crypto coin. You guys know that. You guys know what blood coin is, right? If not, I'll explain it to you in a little bit of a whelm here. A little bit of I won't go right off for like a half an hour, 45 minutes, not like I usually do on stuff. Blood coin's made with nuclear energy, energy that's made from fossil fuels, okay? So what I mean by energy made by fossil fuels and stuff that's just, it's a big carbon footprint in the world. Okay, to make coin fucking takes a lot. It's enough to power your house for like, it's enough to power like 3 houses for a couple days just to make one block. Okay, it's huge. It's a fucking huge problem. Okay, and China doesn't have natural resource energy. Okay, they use nuclear, they use subtanial energy, which is off of, it's just a derivative off, just Google it. It's off of a derivative off of nuclear energy. It's a little bit cleaner. It's really not well known. I know about it. They use it in submarines and stuff. That's why they can stay like energized for so long. And there's a whole bunch of other contributing factors. These new lithium batteries that come into effect. There's a whole bunch of stuff. They actually pull energy out of the water. Water holds electronic charge too. You're gonna say, how the fuck does this guy know all this shit? I told you I know a little bit of stuff in this world. So, but the thing is, they do have a little bit of natural resource. It's very, very minimal. It doesn't even go on the chart. Canada is almost 98% pure energy here, okay? We have hydro dams, like big hydro dams, like all over. I got 2 hydro dams like 15 minutes from my house. Shit, I should go shoot you some video footage of that with the water coming off it right now. It's just bouncing off the top. It's so cool, man. It's overflowing the dam right now. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that. And just so you guys knew a little bit about that blood coin, that's what they're delisting. Those are the ones that will probably disappear. Okay, for a real blockchain crypto, like Bitcoin, I'm just going to use the ones I know of because I won't put information out there, ones I don't know. And you're going to have to look into that because I just know the ones that I'm interested in, okay? Because I think they have over 2,000 crypto coins now, okay? And I would say about 60% of them are junk, okay? Probably more than that, okay? There's ones that don't even do anything, that have never done anything, okay? So the ones that are connected to a blockchain, a real blockchain configuration, okay, cannot be synthetic, okay? They cannot be multiplied. It has to connect into that block, okay? So that's the good thing about crypto, real crypto we're talking about, okay? Like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Sheepcoin is a derivative of a blockchain. I don't know that much about it. I heard it is. I'm just going off of what I heard. Market just opened. Okay, guys, give me a second here. I just wanted to explain that to you guys. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. Let's do this, guys. Don't pay attention to these numbers right now. We always have this down pull. Except yesterday was weird. It was really weird. Okay, you guys got blocking. We gonna be fucking rich. Yes, we are. We are. We just gotta wait for it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through some there's some new people coming in right now. If I missed your name, like I say, like you guys know me, right? Notice Jerry. Good morning, brother. Mr. L. Good morning. Mortals. Good morning, brother. Do you know the funny thing? Dogs love bananas. I just had to tell you guys that. My little palms just freaking love bananas, man. So if you're throwing bananas at us, don't take it as an insult if somebody comes in here. I'm just bugging Glock here, or not Glock, Mortals. Dogs love bananas, by the way. I don't know, kind of useless, fucking stupid information, but. Ever hear of it? No, Jerry, I haven't. Wonderland Steak. Can you send me an email on it, bro? And holy... Oh, Michael, welcome to the channel, bro. Morning again, sir. Okay, you've been here before? My bad. Yeah, show pics of that, please. Okay, yeah, I will. I'll try to get out there in the next couple days. I could actually snap Sean right off YouTube. It's just all over our YouTube right now. We have a channel for our city, and I will do that. It's crazy shit, man. So, excuse me. Good morning, Lloyd. Lena, good morning. Kim, good morning. Bimo, good morning. Jason, good morning. Tonight's your night, Jason. Fire me an email, bro. Good morning, JP. Okay, I just wanted to say something. This is out to Christopher. Holy shit. No, my fiber, they just connected to the pole yesterday. They fucking took... It's weird how fiber... They took down a mass of cables like this and put one line. Right? Because my building has 8 suites in it, right? One downstairs and one upstairs. We're on the penthouse suite. So, it's amazing that they took all those cables and it's down to one fucking cable. Like, it's probably about... I don't know. I don't know how thick it is because I was watching from the window. How do I email you? Right here, brother. I'll give you an email. So, Christopher, I seen that speed test you got. That's frigging insane. You're in Everett? I started yesterday. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's all good, man. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Okay. And this is for anybody that wants to talk to me. I won't discuss prices on that. There's a paid program for that, guys. You guys know that. Just what Christopher joined up above, and we can talk about anything. Anything you guys want to, and I mean that, like, whatever. We there's people that talk about, fuck, we just get on there and talk about just life stuff, man. It's pretty cool. There you guys go. It's pinned to the top. Did I do it right? It's a little bit early. Yep, I did it right. I didn't fuck up. Usually I fuck up this early in the morning, once or twice. Okay, oh yeah. So I went over to Assface's AF, Assface's fucking YouTube channel, and I only say that because I know you. Yeah, Jerry, no, it's all good, buddy. It's all good. Just send it. I just like to see that stuff. Like Christopher sent me that speed test off his fucking computer, and fuck, that's crazy, man. His fucking Jesus Christ, how much transfer he's getting off that. I don't think mine will be that high because I'm what is it? I'm not cheap. What is that called when you because I have lots of shit, right? What's that? I only buy what I need. Frivolous? No. Thanks, JP. I forget what that's called. I only buy stuff in life that I need. I don't, unless on food, I went and stocked up on stuff, but I'm not one of these douchebags that fucking grab like 20 cases of food, because we do have a problem here right now. It's worse than COVID on the shelves right now. I just wanted to say that I did go get some food yesterday. I got a whole bunch of stuff in my office here. There's no milk, man. They said there were no milk for up to a month, and meat. Crazy, man. That's what happens when you're in a natural disaster, eh? Frugal. There you go. Frugal, right? So, but, good morning. Good morning, Richard. Brother, good morning. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. It's not a good way to. It's really minimalistic. There you go. That sounds a little bit. That sounds a little bit, a little bit more professional, I guess I would say. It is what my wife gets mad at me sometimes, right? I'm in the store fucking weighing shit out, looking at the how much that weighs, the price, because I can figure stuff out like that, right? And she's like, "Don't buy any no-name brand," and I don't really. Corn, I'll buy like no-name brand corn and stuff like that, but I won't buy like soups and because it's packed full of sodium. It's just totally different taste, and ketchup definitely. Anyways, enough about that. I just had to make you guys laugh. So, but yeah, that's how you become very stable in your life, is just to recalibrate that. And if people bug you about it, don't fucking listen to them, because it's usually broke people bugging you, right? Or people are living off. You have to remember, a lot of people in this world live like the fucking kings and queens, and they're living off credit, and they're digging themselves a hole. And usually you see those people 10, 15 years down the road that are just so screwed. They're selling their houses, they're moving into rentals again after they had it all, right? So it is what it is. Like, I sustain a living just off my fucking dividend royalties, okay? Every 3 months I get a check, okay? And I live off that, right? That's crazy, eh? And like I said, I'm not going to get rich off it, but I've already done everything in life, right? You guys seen all my stuff. Fuck. Not that I'm bragging. It's incentive, guys. And I have a long ways to go. I'm getting old. I shouldn't say that. It's my birthday in 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks? 3 weeks. Whole 45 years old. Okay, guys, let's have a look at this fucking bullshit market here. Holy shit. Okay, that shouldn't go below 38, guys, today, because if they run it into 38, they're kind of shooting themselves in the foot. Okay, remember what we were talking about this channel? Here we go again. This is happening because we have no volume. A lot of people have pulled out of AIM, not pulled their shares out, but pulled out, like they're into other plays. The volume, okay? Because people were putting buying a couple shares here and there, right? It's not happening anymore, okay? It's just it is what it is. I don't have the answers for that. The algorithm's still fighting, is still in our favor though. I can see it on the chart. It's still trying to fight with, we're still pushing on it. Okay? Those vibrations, we're still nailing a couple of them to drop it up. So I can tell by the candlestick. So it's not totally dead in the water, guys. Not that it is, right? The thing about a short squeeze is it happens when nobody's expecting it. Okay, all of them, even if it's primed, ready to go, all of a sudden one fucking morning you're gonna be like, holy shit. I know I've been saying that for a long time, but I don't put bullshit out there with videos and stuff and saying, oh, we're gonna pump squeeze tomorrow. So I do want to check one thing out here. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, I am right. Didn't I just call it on PROG before the fucking market opened? I said it was gonna collapse. There you guys go. There you guys go. It's down 7%. Okay. So it's not a total collapse yet, guys. It will retain and go back up. It's just I've been looking at this and it's bad. It's really bad. They're doing something to this stock. The stock should be the fucking moon, man, with the amount of volume in it. It's overturned itself like 15 times. Seriously. The whole volume has turned it more than AMC. Okay? But I'm not talking overall volume. Okay? There's a difference there. I do want to see, do you guys mind that I go through this stuff with you, or do you want me to do something else? It's up to you guys. Do you guys mind that I go into these theories and looking at all these different prices and checking out the volumes? Do you guys care about that stuff? I kind of wanted to ask you that yesterday, but I forgot. They only have 160 shares out. Okay, they have How many shares in total? Okay, we're going to cap it. We're going to say 170. Okay, it's under. That's a little bit over. We're going to say 170 million. Okay, compared to AMC, compared to BlackBerry's in the billions, right? Like, there's no comparison here. That's why this stock has been targeted. Okay, I know they have a whole bunch of contracts. They have a whole bunch of patents coming out that are just going to blow the water out of shit. But those are what ifs. They're not. It's not done yet. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the way that's turning. Fuck, that's scary. I was just looking at some numbers here, guys. So, anyways, guys, I know some of you are in on that. Like I say, what am I gonna say? Be careful. Okay. I almost jumped in on that with you guys. I seriously did. What the hell is happening in Sundial? That pisses me off. That is fucking bullshit. Sorry. I'm in a really good mood today. Sorry, guys. You guys should know you should have your kids out of the room if you're trading with me live. I don't even own any Sundial. Look how mad I get for you guys. What? I almost choked on my fucking coffee Glock. Whoa. Okay, whoa. I'll put the chart back on here. What the fuck is he on now? He's Lou. That can't be right. Did you seriously, did he say that? No. Natalie here? Natalie, what's up, girl? How you doing? You see my post on Twitter this morning? I finally got over there to put it on Twitter. I had a little bit of time this morning. Okay, I'm going to go back up here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, The Loudest Gun. Oh, buddy, yeah. I can't watch what I'm saying. Okay. Your price labels don't show the price per ounce or whatever it is. Sorry, JP. I don't understand what you're saying, bro. Oh, on the sidebar, I can't get that back. Where it says the volume and all that, I have to go into the quotes. The quotes I can't get on the fucking side for some reason here. Like, I can't. It won't pull down. It's stupid. It's really retarded. I can't do that for some reason. I don't know how to get it all back on the side here. It does it for crypto, but I can't get that on the side for you guys. Okay, I got all these screens all over the place here. I'll just focus on one here. Just hang on a second, make this bigger so I can see it, because I need my glasses on this morning, guys. Oh, we're going to make some money now. As soon as these go on. There we go. So, okay, let's go back up here. I just want to make sure I'm reading this correctly that Mr. Glock has to say here. Sean, welcome. That's right, Natalie. Good call. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. It is what it is. Gwen, you guys like that? Okay, okay, I just didn't know. I just started doing that in the last month. I don't know if you guys, I like to ask you guys if you like it. Like, just because when I built the channel, I tried to make it around the subs, okay? Because I could talk for days and days and days about stuff. You guys know me, right? Okay. Along with the video about him telling us all to shut our channels down, and people are saying it's not towards you, you only have 3,000 subs. Well, I played the video back 4 or 5 times, and it's dedicated to all of us. Okay, I know he might be talking about Trey and Matt, but he should have verified that in the video. So we're not going nowhere, guys. And like I said, if YouTube goes down, it could. Okay. The hedge funds own a lot of shit. Like, think about how are these channels getting pulled down for these violations that they have clearly not done. Okay, it's happened to all of the traders, pretty much everybody, almost everybody on YouTube. Not everybody. I'd say about 6 out of 10 people. It hasn't happened to us. I've got a couple threats, but nothing in stone. Nothing in stone. And I did get a threat for that Lou video. I think it was from a family member of his or something. It was weird. I tried retracking the email, but I couldn't. It was out of the New York area or something. I don't know. Where does Lou live in New York, right? But I don't know the districts and stuff and shit, so I don't know anything about it. I think it was VPN anyways. Yeah, Natalie, that's what we're talking about. That I haven't really seen it. Do you guys want me to watch it quickly with a set of headphones on, or I can just watch it on the other? I got so many monitors here, I can watch it. Oh, okay. Sanjay's saying it's really hard to decipher his shit. I'm really good at it. I know a couple of you don't want to really hear this because I know some people don't care for him, but we think alike in a lot of ways, guys. That's why I get so upset with him sometimes when he puts stuff out there that people can't understand unless you've fucking worked the streets. Like, I'm not talking like prostitute. I'm talking about plays, right? Like you guys know I was raised by bikers, right? That type of stuff, okay? And it's not the life to go, guys, you young guys, okay? Everybody I know is dead, okay? So, like, just don't even think about going there. I wish I wasn't born into that, right? I hate it. And I changed that. I'm nothing to do with that now. But it took a good chunk of my life. No, it's okay, Glock. No, I'm not bagging on you, dude. No, I love this. You guys bring this to my attention, man. You guys are my little information gatherers in a good way. I fucking love it. I love it. He tries to talk in riddles. That's street talk, my friend. Do you want me to tell you why he talks in riddles like that? He is up on about 4 charges right now. There's a bunch of people suing him, and I know this is factual information because I know the way he backstepped. Okay, and people like him and me don't backstep on stuff and talk in riddles. He's trying to tell you guys something, but he can't, okay? He's caught up in a couple lawsuits, okay, that have publication bans on them because of his past fraud charge. He got caught stealing a bunch of money off of people, and he hasn't paid it back, and they're thinking that he has the money squirreled away somewhere, and who knows if he does or not. That's not even the point. Who cares? And Lou does talk about the real prices, and it is what it is. He is on parole right now. He will be for the next 5 years. He got caught with an indictable charge of fraud and not conspiracy to commit. No, he got nailed. Okay? He's done a substantial amount of time in jail. Okay? That's right. Sean nailed it. Yep, the feds are. Yes, they are, Glock. Everybody's watching him, okay? After that fucking little episode that he did with Clove, not cool, man. Not fucking cool, right? And I think yeah, you just nailed it. Sanjay just nailed it. I said it and then it popped up. Yes, he has lawsuits on him from Clove, okay? He screwed up. Those videos, I don't even think they're on there anymore on YouTube. I think they were pulled down by him. Or they were taken for federal information, okay? You can't do that. That's why Assface is going to get himself put in jail. That's why I'm very, very... Mr. Hell, dude, I'm not telling you guys not to watch his... I would never do that. I watch his videos once in a while, too. I watch Assface once in a while, too. In a very blue... Last night, I had to go to his channel to see how he was going to backpedal and talk to his subs, potential all of them together. Almost everybody invested in that on his channel. Almost guaranteed. He pretty cost him millions of dollars between all of his subs. Millions and millions of dollars. Okay, how the fuck is he going to explain that? He went on there and exploded, blaming on Getzler. It was his fault. Wow, you're fucking solid, bro. Who is even the Luga? Don't get yourself mixed up in that, buddy. You can watch it. It's Lou. I don't know. He fucking switches his name all the time. If you're gonna watch his stuff, promise me one thing. Take it with a grain of salt until you talk to one of us, okay? Don't go in investing in stuff he's talking about. He's talking about all these other stocks now, when we should be concentrating on one. It is what it is. You can watch whatever you want. I'm just saying that it can actually it can do some. It can fuck your psyche up. Okay, watching channels like that. If you don't know how to control it, it actually fucking you obtain certain information that could fuck up your judgment on selling stuff. Okay, that's all. Anyways, guys, sorry for going off like that a little bit, but no, I don't hate anybody like that, right? I don't actually really hate anywhere. That's a bad word. Or yeah, there's a couple of people I hate, but I'm not going to talk about it on here because I'll get myself in a lawsuit. Yes, there you go. Thank you. I couldn't think of what his handle was today. It switches every couple months, every 6 months. Thank you, Sean. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Lloyd, go over there and have a look, man. Just don't get caught up in all that shit there, okay? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. And if you have questions, you're welcome to come here and ask, okay? We'll give you the fucking honest-to-God answer if we have it. It's just you're going to open yourself up to all this second book shit, which is true. Payment for order flow, just how things work. Most of it's just theory, okay? Some of it's right. Okay, I just wanted to put that out there, guys. Okay, so this just want to have a look through our stocks here. We're getting a repeat of yesterday, guys. Damn, did I get stung on that fucking? Oh, it's back up again. It's back up 4%. I got stung on Vision Lithium yesterday again. It was up high and then it went down. Now it's back up to 4%. Holy shit, PROG's down 7.55. Holy fuck. Did I ever call that? Oh, I should have made a video on that. Oh my god. I didn't have time though, guys. I was going to warn the fucking everybody out there, not against AF. No, I wouldn't do that publicly. Well, I am now, but you know what I mean. Oh, it's down 12.70 now. I just wanted to warn everybody out there to stay the fuck away from it, but I can't do that legally. To just be careful, okay? It is what it is. There's something weird going on with this. They definitely have nailed the dark pools in on this. The demons, I call them, are definitely in this. Lou calls them the fucking devil. Right? I call them the demons from hell. But yeah, there was a set trend. There was something that was it was yesterday, the option, just the way the options are actually, is today Friday? Oh fuck, all these options are expiring out of the money now. They were in the money and they pulled it out of the money. So it's fucked up, man. Like there's something weird going on because that can't happen. That cannot happen the way that happened. It's impossible unless somebody's manipulating it. But yeah, this channel's about education. That's why we're doing this. Okay? And I just spilled coffee all over the place. Where's my assistant? So, anyways, good morning, good morning. Holy shit. Wow, Christopher. Holy shit, he doubled down. 3 down, man. Doubled down 2 more times. Thank you. That's right, Natalie. Thank you, Christopher. I appreciate you supporting the channel like that, brother. That is awesome, and it weird that this thing doesn't keep on coming up here. Just hang on, guys. That's weird. Just hang on to this sub thing. I gotta fix something here, guys. On my screen. That doesn't make sense. That image just got covered up. I gotta fix that. I don't like that. Sorry, I got OCD when it comes to that shit. Why the fuck is that getting covered up like that? The only reason to fix that? The only way to fix that is pull that bastard right over there like that. There you guys are watching how I build a screen now. There you guys go. Bam! Just give me a second. Sorry, my OCD is kicking in. There you guys go. Sorry about that. I know, Sanjay. Yeah, there you go, Loves Guns. Yeah, that's up to you guys. That's up to you guys, man. I'm not here. It's Thursday? Okay, thanks, Joshua. I'm losing my days here. So there you go. The options are expiring tomorrow. Now it's down 11%. Almost 12%. Holy fuck. It's at 12.219 now. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. There's a whole bunch of options expiring on Friday. They're out of the money now. Most of them. They were in the money. Everybody went high on it. Nobody went low. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. L. Christopher is class president. He is, actually. So, yeah. Anyways, do you guys have any questions about what I've talked about? Type away. Type away. If you have any questions or anything like that, see, and then you can get the wolf pack mark here. You can get the claws of life. That's from my last dog that passed away. Passed away from cancer. So Frankie was his name, and that's why I got those on those claw marks. Those are his actual paw prints. Oh, you can't see it. As you know, my daughter's like one of the best tattoo artists in Canada, and like better than Kat Von D, like hands down, man. She's so busy. She's backed up for like 6 months, and she's like fucking $400 an hour, man. But yeah. The Spy. Yeah, it could be. It could be. It could be. Actually, let me have a look here. You just peeked something here. Thank you. Let me have a look here. Ooh, no volume now. This thing's gone off the chart. See something here. Wow. What the fuck happened here? We haven't, this thing's lost its, okay, I'm 30 minute. Okay, I'm bound to intervals of 1 minute. 1 minute candlesticks, which would be 60 in an hour. So we're going to pump over here and have a look here. Let's check that out. The tail, I'm going to check that for the top peak, bottom peak, and around. Okay, let's have a look here, my friend. Rachel. Is it Rachel or Rochelle? Oh, you can't talk for 10 minutes, my friend. Just sub to the channel. You're going to have to wait 10 minutes and then you can come on here and talk to us. It's still not coming through. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Total dummy. An idiot. There we guys go. There we go. Sorry about that. I'm not thinking correctly here this morning. Okay, so yeah, it could be. I'd have to actually get out and measure what the down pull and the up pull is on it. It does have that tail on the end, the same, for sure. It does actually look okay. $3, $3.50. $3.50 down to $1. That's $2. That's $2. I just want to check something here, guys, and then I'll bounce off this. Yeah, you can't really. They're too tight. They're too tight to actually. You'd have to get right into that and fucking dig it apart to do that. I like your theory, though. Shit. Lithium America's up. Fuck, I almost want to sell those stocks today. Proud, good morning. Yes, Proud. Yeah. Yeah. Well, part of it is, I can tell you as a creator, he should have stepped back. He should have shut his shit down, did his weekly or twice a week broadcast, patting everybody on the back. You're good people. You're doing a good job. All that kind of nonsense, right? Instead of making videos every day, twice a day. You're going to run out of content. That's what it is. He's running out of content. There's only so much you can talk about. And then you start getting fucking weird shit going on in your head, right? Right, guys? So, yeah, I seen that Tesla was going up. Hey, welcome to the channel there, Penny, for Burnout War Story. Whoa, that's a handful and a half. Do you mind if I call you Penny? Is that cool? That's a handful, a mouthful. Cab! Our captain's in the house. Everybody over to the fucking ship. We're ready to take off. See, not that many people have their own captain on their channel, do they? Do. What you been up to? You building your channel, Cap? Oh, I could have used you up here. We're under fucking evacuation flood notice. I'm not really... Well, I'm not in the plane, but I'm on the outskirts. I could leave if I wanted to, but I'm not going to stay in a fucking gym in somewhere or go stay in a hotel in the other town or the city. Would I leave you guys here? I'd put my computer on the fucking roof and run the cables up there and broadcast off the roof for you guys. Fire up my generator. We don't need fucking power, man. I got a fucking propane generator that can power half this building beside me here on the floor. Okay. Yeah, everything's having a downpull. I still can't get my head around that SOPA's been bleeding hard. I'm gonna tell you guys why, okay? Because I just want to tell you guys why. Some of you guys know. Okay, it's new to the market. Okay, I can pull up another stock that's new to the market. Loop Energy. It's a hydro. I've talked about it before. Oh, okay, Cap. So, when a stock comes onto the market, it usually has its first push. Okay, I never ever buy a stock that comes onto the market. It's getting this. It's gonna get FOMO push, and then it'll stabilize. It could be a day, 2 days, usually not more than 2 days, and then it's gonna find it's gonna find the vibrations of the fucking algorithm, okay, and it's gonna go with that vibration. How that works is volume, okay. So either way, if you got volume coming in, it's gonna get the up vibes, right? It's gonna get the vibrations and it's gonna shift it up. Obviously, if there's no volume, it's going to get the down, okay? Or it's going to consolidate, which we've already talked about the consolidation. It already did that for 2 days, so it's got to make a decision, okay? So let's go back into here. There you go. It's had its FOMO, okay? There's the fucking consolidation. That's after hours. It doesn't matter if it's in after hours or not. We see more of it right here, okay? It went down. It went up. It hit its peak. It went down. The only people when it goes up like this are the people that invest in the first couple days will get hurt, okay? It usually doesn't go up higher than, yeah, it hasn't, I was going to say, it doesn't usually go higher than the first couple days of FOMO. And then you're holding the bag, you could be holding the bag for the rest of your life, okay? That, when they put it in, when they put a stock in the market, they can put it, they have to have some credentials to back it. Okay, you have to meet a bunch of criteria to come into the stock market. Okay, there's a whole bunch of criteria to how many shares you can get, how much you've sold in the last year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. There's different categories that you get put in. Okay, then you get to pick a price. Usually it's $15. Okay, that's usually the set price a new stock will get put in at. Usually, not 100%. Okay. And then the owner, the CEO, get on there and pump the shit out of it. Usually family members, people that hear about stocks before, like I got that stock up in the mine, the mine's doing a split, and they're opening up a new division, a huge fucking division on copper. Okay, it's huge. They've got pure copper. It's going to be a slam dunk, but I know about it. I could buy the shares off market, right, and already have them waiting. So as soon as market opens in 2 weeks, when they're going to be, they've already got the approval. I can get the first lot with the family. Am I going to do it? Fuck no. Okay, so here's what happens: you get the $15 push, and then it'll hit. Look at it, went up to $70. That's bad. So, anyways, it could stay at this. Now it's just doing the bleed. Okay, it's going to find the thing about these CEOs. You can't tell the market what a stock's going to... The market will find the price for you, okay? I'm going to show you something else here, okay? We're going to go over to Loop Energy. It started during COVID. If I can find it on here. Loop Energy, right here. It's a Canadian stock, okay? I'm going to show you guys something here, okay? Here's Loop Energy. It's been around. I'll put it on 1 hour. Make it a little bit shorter. Okay, it came in the market around the $15. It came in at $17. Okay, around there, give or take. They got a little bit more. It's Canadian, so with the it's still $15 because American. You take off the exchange is about 15. Same as what I was talking about before. Okay, so look at this stock came in here, right? At 15, 16, 17 bucks, right? A lot of people bought this locally, okay? This guy's, yeah, this thing's going to be worth hundreds of dollars. I've heard the fucking spiels on this, okay? They're on YouTube. Look at this. Bam, bought it. Yes, it fucking went up. Everybody bought down. Then it does its next. Then it hits the actual open market, like the national market around the world, so anybody can buy it, okay? Look at this. It goes up again, bleeds. Okay, bleeds, consolidates, like what I was talking about, right in here and here, okay, for a couple days. Look at couple days, bleeds again, consolidates, bleeds. Okay, look at this, bleeds, consolidates, bleeds. Look at this. Look at this. Just down, 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 down. Now we're down to $4. Look at this. Goes up a bit, and now look at we're at $5. Who's winning out of that picture? Nobody. Okay? That took a lot of people locally for a spin. Is this ever going to get it back up there? It could, but it could be a long time. Okay? I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay? I'll pull that off my list because I don't like supporting stuff that I've actually called them 3 times and talked to them. This thing's always delisted. It's always, when it goes down, they do something and it's not that it's kicking a breaker or not dislisted. That's the wrong words. Whoa. What are you saying, Cameron? They're halted. They're suspending it. Okay. But it's not for volatility problems. I don't know how the fuck they're doing it. But this thing is halted more than any other stock on the planet I've ever seen. Every time I go look at this thing, it's halted. I'm surprised it's not halted right now, which is not good. That scares a lot of people away. Okay, I just wanted to bring that out. Ooh, Vision's up 10%. Yeah, go baby. Any questions on that? So these new stocks that come out, guys, just be careful. That's all. You guys going off about aliens again? Ah, Kim. You just said it for me there. You just nailed it, Kim, with your little comment there. We're supposed to squeeze over 300 times by now. But I think most of the people like the stories and stuff that he tells. If they're true, who knows, right? You have to remember, he's done jail time. There's nothing to do in jail except fucking talk stories, okay? So, any of you guys that have done time know that. And I'm not going to answer that question if I have or not. So, that's my personal information. And, of course I have. I decided to answer that. I got an impaired charge. It was only for a couple days. And that was when I was 19 years old. I told you guys all that. That's why I can't go to the States. So, yeah. I just know about that stuff because that's the life I used to live, right? Cam, check out. Yes, thank you, Mr. L. I was waiting for somebody to throw something at me here. I was getting a little bit... New EV company just IPO'd yesterday. Okay, let's have a look at this. It's ESEV. Oh, that's kind of a cool little ticker symbol there. That's a good one. That's going to bring a lot of people in just for the symbol. Yes, people do that. Hey, it's so new it might not even be on here, bro. EVEE or SEV. It's not on here yet, bud. Sometimes it takes a week to get on here. It just got listed. Is it actually physically listed on the market? Is it out of is it this one? It's out of Canada, right? Mr. L? Oh no, that's not the company. I'm getting a Spectra 7 with the SEV symbol. That can't be it. That can't be it. That's not it, I can tell you right now. It might take a bit. It might take a bit. Oh, there's a couple other ones. Is it called the Sauna Group? There it is, right there. I found it. I found it, buddy. Yeah, this has to be it. Yes, I did. I did, Jamal. Thank you for answering. Yes, I did. It was configuring with my TV monitors, which have no speakers in them. Yeah, I got her. Thank you, brother. Is it SONOR? I got SONSONO. There's no R on it, though. That has to be it. Because it just opened up on the 17th. The 17th at 10 o'clock in the morning. It Motors. Yep, this is it, bud. This is it. Or group. This says group. Just hang on. They might have a different division. Just give me a second. This has to be it. This has to be it, my friend. They're calling themselves group, though, dude. It has to be. Well, it's fucking brand new. It's the only one that's that new. They started at 20. Yeah, look at this, and then it's gonna have their bleed. This is rare. It goes up like that, but that's that push. It's in its first stages. Okay, remember what I was telling you? When it comes on, ooh, they got a lot at high mount. Okay, let's have a look at the profile here. Yeah, the 11th or the 17th. Okay, yeah, they're very young. Yeah, this is it. Motor parts auto manufacturer. They're out of Germany. Well, the financials, they wouldn't have anything yet. Start trading on the NASDAQ 21 hours ago. Okay, yeah, be very careful with this. This is what we're talking about. Okay, guys, this is educant. Oh, and it's all good. Thank you, Mr. L. Okay, it's hard to because it's a different country. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good, my friend. It's all good. We got her. So, this is what I'm talking about right here. Okay, it's having that push. It had its consulted. This is after hours. Okay. Obviously, some people after hours were like, fuck, I'm getting out of this. So they fucking sold, right? So, which who knows, they could have been down here. We don't know, right? We don't know that shit. So right now it's having it's got the vibration of a down pull on the algorithm. Yeah, so that's what's, I'm very, very confident on this, on what I'm saying. We're going to leave this on our chart. I could see this in the next week be down to like $15 and more. Okay. Just be very careful on stuff like this. Okay. When new stocks come into the market. Okay. We've never discussed this on the channel before, and I should have discussed this 6 months ago. Okay. So yeah. Thank you, Mr. L. That's some dope stuff. Some dope stuff. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Holy fuck. What a fucking nightmare. What a fucking nightmare. Jesus Christ. Good, I'm back up to 28. Oh, it changed. Why did it do that? What is... Refresh my data again here. This Weeble's been acting weird here. Maybe because I actually have normal speed internet. Well, I don't yet, actually. 10%. Oh, it's still 1/10 of a cent lower than I would like today. Wow, crazy. Well, we're at $40. Yeah, we'll recover this, guys. I'm not worried at all at this. It seems to be the death of 40. Eh, guys? Remember when we were like, remember it was at this range, what was it, probably about 6 weeks ago, we're like, go down to 40. Go to 40. And we all, what did I dump $1,000 that day? And you guys did too? Hi, Headstock. How you doing, brother? Hi, Alina. Hi, Alina. Were you already on here? Yes, you were. Sorry about that. Good entry point. Just let me look here. Yeah, I don't know. I would wait for it to go back down to the low. I'd wait for it to go to 33. Or no, what am I on? Fuck, I'm on something else here. I'm on AMC. What a fucking turd. What a turd. Let's get back on here. That wasn't making sense to me. That's why I was like, what the hell's going on here? Right here? And if it was me, I wouldn't. Let's see. Let's have a look here, guys. Let's put it on the 5 minute. Make it a little bit easier. I'd wait till, if it was me, I'd wait till $3. The dark pool is the best place to trade stocks, guys. After hours, for them, they can. And Alina, I'm not putting. That's up to you. And that's fucking glad you brought that up. I'm glad you brought that up because that opens up a lot of people's eyes on stuff. I might be a little low on that. What is it for? Well, that's not that much. That's only another 5%. Yeah, it's only another 5% down. That's splitting hairs there, Alina. Yeah, that's up to you what to do on that. Yeah, I'm personally me. I'm staying the fuck away from this. But that's all you guys do. If you got a stock screener, right? Just do a pullback, but don't do it on the 1 minute. Put it on the 5 minute. Look at it and see if you can see what you're seeing. Or put it on the 30 minute. Don't do hour or a day. That doesn't work for you. That'll screw you. Okay? Headstock. I think more it's around the 8. And yes, it is higher than what it's saying on these screens. I've said that for a long time too. What they're saying is, to be very, very clear on that, they're saying if the dark pool was not manipulating this, that's what the real price would be. The real price is not that price, okay? The real price is this price. This is what you get, okay? On the dark pool, when they're trading, no, they're not paying fucking $11,000 a share. That's bullshit, okay? And I don't know. That rumor started a long time ago. Think about it. Why would they pay on after hours, pay $11,000? There's only one way that it would happen. If it was legit real shares, which they know they can tell which are not, okay? For a real legit share, not a synthetic, I could see it being that high. And they don't trade synthetics on the closed market, okay? It's real shares, okay? They have to be connected. They have to be connected to AMC or any of these other stocks. All of these stocks run through the dark pool, guys. I don't know if you know that, but they do. Dark pool is after hour trading. And what the problem is they're taking these retail stocks and they're shelving them, okay? So what they're doing is they're taking, for instance, we'll use Webull because we're on it. Okay, Webull will buy, because they're a huge fucking company, they have the money to do it. They'll let you buy the stock, they'll pay you. They will put it into, you can call it second book, you can call shelving, you can call vaulting it, you can call fucking mooning it if you want. You can call it anything you want. They will hold those. They could hold them forever, right? They will hold those stocks and just sell synthetics to us, okay? When it's after hours, that's institutions buy, okay? They will trade through other stuff than Webull, okay? They go through their private brokers or firms, if you want to call it like that. They have their own, it's kind of like HR, like human resources we have when we're hired at work. Well, they have stuff like that where they just trade stocks and they don't pay the prices we do. They get them way cheaper, okay? They buy lots. Have you guys ever heard of lots of stocks, okay? They can work out deals with Aaron, okay? Behind the scenes, not with him personally, but with the people that work in that broker division of AMC. But there's no shares for sale. We know that. I'm just hypothetically saying, okay, that they can contact him and say, I want to buy 1 million shares. I got the money right here. Okay, well, I don't want to pay that price. Can you give it me at this price? No, we'll get back to you on that. We got to see how many shares are available and on and on and on, because they can't re-lend shares. It has to be legit, right? So that's how that happens, guys. Straight up. That's the only way it happens. The stuff that's okay. That's only half the story. Okay, now we have to what about our shares that are shelved? Okay, those, when they talk about the dark pool, about opening the gates and all that stuff, what it is they are exchanging after hours our shares. Okay, during the daytime, there's hardly no shares hitting the market. Okay, only through brokers that are direct transfer. Okay, they can judge how high that's going up to how many shares to release. Okay, that's the problem with that. Okay, it's bullshit. Okay, and that's what the dark pool is. Okay, and that's the shitty thing, is we can't move the price by buying during the day because our shares are not hitting the market. So that's the fucking problem that we're having. There's a lot of these shares that are just stored, that aren't released, right? And that's the shitty thing. So that's what the main concern I'm worried about, and I'll be very honest with you guys, is we don't know if we own real or not, right? I own shares right from the beginning, and I've called banks and all that, and I've done my research and shit on stuff, and it's impossible to find out if you own real shares. Anybody can say anything. Any institution will say, no, we only deal with real shares. Fidelity, we only deal with real shares. They're not going to admit that they don't, okay? And you can believe whatever you want. I'm just one of these people that go off of factual information, so I base everything off of fact, okay? And I'm not here, that's not the whole part of the conversation. The whole part of the conversation is the only way that AMC is going to fuck up is that I want to sell before the institutions do. Because once these institutions sell, they're giving real shares on the market. The hedges will buy those up and the squeeze will diminish, okay? Once the hedges get back their shares, it's over, okay? It's a short squeeze. You understand? Do you understand that, guys? Or do you want me to explain another way? Ladies, too. So that's what the short squeeze is. We are squeezing the price as high as we can get it because there's no shares available. But once the shares get out on the market, right? Like once these institutions start fucking dumping, those shares are available to buy back, to return, for the hedges to buy back, to pay the interest and all that, and return them back to the original owners. Okay? That's the whole circle of a short squeeze. So, Yes, Glock. Yes, you're right. You're right. Computer shares are 100%. 100% you own them. The broker doesn't even own them. So that's the thing, guys. So that's why after this, I'm out. I'm not completely out of the stock market. I have 2 or 3 stocks I'm going to trade between day, okay? And I'm out. Guys, I'll keep the channel going and stuff, and nothing will change. Nothing will change. Okay, I'll keep on learning stuff as it goes. Things change every day, but I'm not going to be doing open market trading like with you guys. Open market like with the AMC, I'll be selling my stuff live for you guys. I promised you guys I would, and some of the numbers are going to be lower than you're like, what the fuck is he doing? I told you guys, and some of them are going to be high, right? It is what it is. If those institutions sell before I do, I'm going to end up losing my money. Okay, I know that. So that's why I'm saying this greed thing on the table. These other people don't know what the whole fucking short squeeze is. It entails. Once those institutions start fucking dumping, they own lots of shares. The hedges will buy them back and it's over. And then these people are holding the bag and they're going to think, well, when's the next wave coming on the squeeze? Well, no, it's over. Okay? Nobody's going to know when it's over. It's just going to be over. And I'm not saying the price will probably stay about $60, okay? $40 to $60 for, it could be a year, okay? Because there's going to be people holding those shares, okay? But AMC all day long is worth between 12 to 20 some odd dollars. I can't see it dropping below that, okay? I just wanted to tell you that's the only way it can go. That's very factual, 100% accurate information right there. No, Glock, and I gave up. I have not heard fuck all about it. We have one of the people on here that I have a private meeting conference call with her this week, and I'll have more information on that with you. Why is my screen all fucked up like that? Oh, there. That's weird. Look at this. That's weird. Okay, I'll put it back on AMC. Sorry, guys. You guys should have gave me a heads up. Hey, Cam, you want to bump that screen down, my friend? So that's the concern, okay, that I have. I don't know if that's concerning anybody else, but once the institutions sell, it's over. It's done, okay? Because they have the real shares. That's true, Sanjay. Yes. Well, no. That means the hedgies may sell it. No, it's not. No. Institutions. Put institutions in that. Do we own 80% of the stock? Yes, we do. Synthetics. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. We can't tell what's real and what's not. Okay? If you could pick through a pile of stuff, if you're an institution, wouldn't you pick the real shares? Okay? That's all I'm saying. Be prepared. Be prepared. That's why I'm saying with these numbers, guys. These hundreds of thousands of dollars, it's not going to make it to that. Okay? I'm just trying to really get that through to people. It is what it is. I'm just one person. Like I said, I've been holding since the beginning. And I've done a lot of research on this stuff. Into everything. Computer shares, into all of it. The computer shares is the most solid way to go. Okay? But there's issues with that too, right? So... Yeah, Brandon, that was a little bit See, I wanted to... Okay, Brandon, yes, you brought something... Brandon Fine just brought something. You triggered something. Not to do with that. You triggered something in my mind. Okay, let's say that AF... Or not AF. No, not ass face. AA. Popcorn Man. Okay? 70 million shares he dumped. Look what happened to the market, guys. That's nothing, 70 million. Okay? These institutions own more. Okay? That's all I'm trying to say. If we get two institutions dump, it's going to be a chain reaction. You think an institution and these guys that have these pensions funds tied up and all that shit, you think that they're actually going to wait and they're going to liquidate, guys? Oh, the banks got to buy them back, Jamal. The banks do. And your broker has to buy them back off of you. That's the difference, okay? The hedgies don't need to buy off of you. They don't, okay? They can buy off of whoever they want. They got to replace those shares. That's the main key. They got to replace them. It doesn't matter where it comes from. It has to be a real share, okay? Lou's even gone over this. They have to buy back a real share. The third party that they borrowed it off of will not accept a fraudulent share, okay? They want the real shares. That's the issue with the synthetics. Like if we didn't have these fucking synthetics in here, man, this would have been, yes, 100,000 to, it could be way up there. But the synthetic thing's screwing it. There you go, MC. Yeah, like, I that's good. That's a good, I like that, but I can't really put, a number. I'm not trying to scare you guys or get you guys all fuck. I'm just trying to just be a realistic person, okay? A lot of these channels and a lot of these, if you look at the age group that these people are, they're younger. No, Lloyd, there's nothing against you, They haven't been on the market that long, okay? They don't understand this. The information they're getting from is from fucking places like Reddit. What's the other one? Stock twits. Shit like that, right? All that information on there is I can post something on there. I do. I put my channel on there, right? So I just wanted to really enlighten you on that. And look what happened at the $70, okay? We had a lot of fucking volume in there. We were in a FOMO. We were nailing it. One sell by one person, look what it did. Okay? That's all I'm trying to say. Okay, guys? And thank you for putting up with that. That's right, Elena. I'm just trying to, and a lot of thing I want to tell you is when people have 100 grand plus in their account, they're going to sell. Okay? The average person. That's all I'm going to say. That's a lot of money. Okay? If I can tell on my average about what age group watches my channel. Okay? The age group that watches my channel, and this is no disrespect, this is just data. Okay? YouTube gives us creators data. Okay, the average person is because it starts at 19 because you can't trade stock, right? It is 19 years old to 38. Okay, that is younger than me. When I was that age, I was wanting to buy a house, new truck. My mindset was totally fucking different than now. Okay, if I had $100,000 back then, which I did, but I'm just saying I did, but not cash, like all at once. I did, but it was assets. Just if you had $100,000 or $150,000, that is enough to fucking buy a house. Maybe not pay it up, but to buy a house, new truck, to put yourself really fucking far in debt. That's down payments on shit. That could set you up for a fucking very good life. Okay, that's all I'm trying to say. Yeah, but Chris. There wasn't synthetic shares back then, bud. There was no such thing. There wasn't these apps. They didn't have synthetic shares. It was all paper back 2008, my friend. Totally different. No, be patient and wait. No, we're still going to do good. I'm just saying. I'm just totally being straight with you guys. I told you I'd never lie to you. I'd be very straight with you guys on the channel, okay? I would tell you what I know. To some degree. Some of it I can't talk about on here. You guys that know that. It will be 10 times. That would be 10 times would be a 10. You know what I mean? The highest. I did say that, and I still stand by. That's the highest, right? I still think it could hit that, but not. It's not going to go. It's not going to go to. It's not going to go to $1 million, 100,000. That's 100 times, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. See that Boston guy? I've been saying that for 6 months or 4 months that January or February is the date that I think. I'm glad some people are starting to fucking open their eyes up now. That guy sounds all right, actually. He does. Is there a chance the squeeze won't? I don't. Joshua, I can't put that over the channel. Because I don't know. If I knew, I would tell you guys. Catherine, I don't believe that we already had the squeeze because Lou has his head up his ass. Okay, the reason why I say that is the shorts haven't covered. A whole short squeeze is the shorts have to cover their positions. No shorts. Well, yes, a couple hedge funds have it. They're so small that it doesn't do anything, but they have to. And this is not towards you. I'm just talking. That's a good point. He has his head so far up his ass. I don't think he meant what he said when he said that, because that is 100% wrong. The hedge funds have to execute their position. They have to pay back those shares to the third party that they hedged them from. Okay? How can the short squeeze already be over? It doesn't make sense. It's impossible. It's impossible. And thank you, Catherine, for bringing that up. Oh, Catherine, you did put a question on my wall. You did. See, this is how good of a fucking memory I have. Fact check me on this, Catherine. Out of 3,000 people, I picked you out. You asked, okay, are we going to have problems, say, Fidelity transferring, say, if you have millions of dollars? I'm not going to put the number that you put there. Potentially, I have to watch what I'm saying. Millions of dollars, are we going to have problems trading them from our broker to our personal accounts? No. There'll be a couple days, right? Just like there is now, or 4 days, however long it took you, times it by 2, potentially. You remember when you put your money into your Fidelity from your bank or however you did it? I don't know how you guys did it off credit cards. I don't know what you guys did. There's different ways of doing it, right? You know how long it took? My broker took up to a week. It could take a week and a half, or it could take a week. Okay, I'm just thinking an extra little bit longer because of all the jam up's going to happen, right? Can't watch Lou's video now, so you can explain it. Yeah, I'll watch it right now, guys. Yeah, because if he's saying that, that's not cool, man. That's not cool. But let me actually, Sanjay, thank you, because that upset me. You can tell when my voice changes a little bit. A couple people own electronic computer shares. Since I've talked about that, I've talked to them over our video chat. It's not as hard as everybody thinks it is, and you get what you sell them for. You do get the price. Like if you want to sell them here, you're on your computer, you just hit sell. But getting the money into your account, that takes a while. But who fucking cares if it takes 2 months, right? You know you're getting that. But let's just, guys. There is a rarely ever certainties in the market. Maximilian, I like your handle. Yeah, welcome to the channel. Okay, I do too, Brandon. It's sad. Okay, guys, you guys chat away. I'm gonna go watch Lou's video right now. What was the title on it, guys? It's the title with question marks. Okay, I'm gonna go watch it now. Tell me if it comes through on here. I gotta block the sound because I'll get he can copy strike me because he doesn't share his stuff like I am. Yeah, nothing's changed, guys. It's the same as it was last week. Sends out a check. Okay. There you go. Is that the title, YouTuber? You guys are funny. Okay, I'll straighten this out for you guys. Just because I'm doing it for the channel. Okay, I'll watch it right now. I'll put this on I'll put the screener down here. I got all these monitors in front of me. I got all the stuff opened up for something totally different than watching YouTube. So what we'll do is we'll get to the bottom of this. I'll do this for you guys, and I regularly don't do this against another creator, but if I have to, if he's putting that stuff out here and it's towards our sub base, I got to straighten it out. I don't care about anybody else on the stock market. You guys, I do. Okay. The only the ones that are actually to support the channel was by subbing, right? So, and like I said, we have a private channel that we're going to. This channel will be sitting here like this, but we actually will have a VIP room that we can talk about prices and all that. We've already been testing it out. So, but you got to be a member to the channel for that. And you have to talk on the chat bar, guys, and be knowing, or else I won't let you in. Because I'm the one that controls it. Okay, Lou. Okay, let's go over here. Lou. Okay, I have to look for him because I don't have him saved in my thing. What's his handle this week? Is it Lou versus Wall Street? AMC squeezed already? Okay, thanks, Glock. Thank you. Lou versus Wall Street. I guess it's the same name. Oh, on the money, on his dick. What the fuck? What does he have now? Lou versus Wall Street? Is that the same one? He has so many different things now. Not a problem, MC. Not a problem. Waiting for you guys to tell me. Is there a difference between, because I don't follow this guy. Lou versus Wall Street, between Lou on his money, I guess. I'm an engineer. It's bad math. Dude, you're an engineer. I'm a fucking, you're a little bit higher than me on your tickets, but I'm a millwright fucking welder, bridgeman fucking, I build bridges, man. And I've done this mathematical, how do you think I fucking build a trading bot? Like, come on, God. Not you guys, I'm just, in my head, I'm just thinking, fuck, man. Who's me? AMC has already squeezed. Relax? Okay. Okay. Holy crow. Hey, how's it going there? New member to the channel. No disrespect, dude, but I don't have, I can see good morning, sir. But, which I don't have a problem you joining the channel and stuff. It's all good. It's just that I can't understand what your handle is. It's fine. I have a converter on here to convert it's all good, Brandon. We're in the same thing. Okay, it's already got it. I got it here, guys. Tell me if it comes over on the audio. We don't want that.
What's going on my little phone, man?
Okay, I'm gonna have to put my headphones in here. Just hang on. I just don't want him to copy strike me, because that would suck. You guys, I really don't like doing this. It's Moj. Oh, okay, okay, brother. I got you. It's just that I'm seeing. I don't know. Is that? That's not Chinese. Is that? I'm sorry. I'm being ignorant. That's my ignorance. I don't know. I just see that beside your name. Some. Oh, excuse me. Okay, brother. It's all good. Okay, guys. I'm gonna play this. Tell me if you guys can hear it. Actually, it doesn't matter if you guys can fucking hear it. Fuck it. I'll just pull down the video. Sorry, what the fuck's that shit? GameStop hasn't short squeezed yet, guys. It never even had a chance to. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good, Christopher. The little devils he's talking about when he says D's, just so you guys know that street talk. Dark Book. He's wrong. He's so fucking wrong. That's not true. He's on fucking glue. Dude, where do you get this shit from, man? Yeah, I can't listen anymore, man. Okay, guys. I don't know what the hell he's talking. He needs to go on meds or something. No, I don't know. I shouldn't say that, but he's totally 100% wrong on that. And I don't know why he's putting that information out there like that. I'm trying to look for his street talk shit, fucking like throwing hints or anything like that out there. There's nothing. It's straight up boom, boom, boom. So he's not trying to fucking get the bat message out there. Like fucking none of that shit. So I don't know what he's doing. He has such a substantial amount of followers. If he said the sky is pink, which it can go pink. Okay, if he said the sky is, I don't know, let's say the sky's, I don't know what, fluorescent green, okay? Everybody's gonna go, yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's green over there, and by tomorrow it'll all be green, okay? So that's all I'm trying to say. Just hold your shit. So I'm just, you guys do whatever you want. Like I told you, I will be here to support any questions that you have, like you just did now. He won't come, Mr. L. He won't come. I tried doing he won't do collaborating either with people. I've actually wrote him an email a long time ago. The feds, oh, fuck yeah. Glock nailed it. I'm not going to say that. He's gotten told to fucking dumb it down, okay? Straight up. No, he doesn't. He gets paid by YouTube. I know that. And he keeps on saying he's not a YouTuber. Come on, man. Really? But yet he goes on YouTube every day. So the thing is he does get paid by YouTube. Okay? Every time he gets a fucking some big checks. Okay? He probably gets about 20 grand a month. Okay? Okay? $20,000 plus. For the, you know, when you're watching it and the commercials pop up, he gets royalties off that, okay? I'm telling you right now, I get the same thing as him, but nowhere near. Like, he gets, I can almost figure out exactly what he gets. I'd have to look at how many hits he gets per video, but it depends on what your CPM rate is on there. See, his is high because a lot of people hit his channel, right? Mine's low. We're a small channel, right? I could vamp it up and do some other shit on it, but the only way I could do that is start fucking following the trend, right? Oh yeah, I would, and I've talked to Jay in the past. Like I said, I was one of his first subs. I came across him just actually on a golfing thing, and he was talking about golfing, and then he started doing a YouTube. It was crazy. It was in the very, very early stages of it. Jay, I don't think has collabed with anybody. I could rate him a message. But Jay just does 2-3 minute videos, right? I don't know how that would, yeah. So, yeah, that's how much he makes, Brandon. Trades makes a couple million, 2 to 3 million. At 100,000 subs, he was making $1 million. Okay, so that's why those guys. And now he came on and said, oh, the conspiracy is true. I do trade other stocks. Why wouldn't you tell your followers that in the beginning until somebody busts you? And then I watched it. It came up. I watched that last night. It was pretty bad, right? Like if you're gonna trade other stuff, why don't you ask? You guys can answer that more else. I can't answer that. I can't, dude. I can't. That's like I know what you're asking me. Guys, do you want to help him out? But you have to think Trey and Matt Coors, they are the biggest, okay? They don't really want this to squeeze in an aspect of a way, okay? Do they own shares in AMC anymore? Probably not. Okay, they probably sold when it was $70. Do they get kickbacks? Fuck yeah. Okay, huge kickbacks from AA and all those. And you can think what you want. I just know how I've been around in this world long enough to know. Okay, and I'm not putting them down in that aspect. Okay, they're more business agents now. Okay, they're not stock traders. Okay. They've changed their whole thing. Yeah, that's right, Glock. And then something happened. Something happened to him. Okay, that first interview with Payne and Aaron there, something happened. He's involved in some lawsuits or something happened. I don't know. Something changed him. They totally changed. Okay. It's usually to do with money. When you got money, you have to he's making millions and millions of dollars, man, off his channel. Like huge fucking money. And that's without all the free stuff. He probably gets free cars. He probably gets free fucking shit. Just to fucking Subway. How he says he's not in with Subway, but yet he puts the cup perfectly with the label shining every time perfectly on the camera. Come on. I'm not born yesterday, right? So guys, I'm not going to put him down. Jeremy, I can't answer that. I don't know enough about him. His prices are off the wall with the 100,000, yes. But I heard he said, and he had some good DD. Some of it's been talked about before. I don't know about his selling features, but if I'm the one that came up with the three system selling feature, the only one, I was talking about that way before other people. I've been using, I came up with it myself because I started losing money, and I don't care what anybody says. You can go back and fact check me on my videos from like a year ago. I talked, or no, about 7 months ago, before anybody else was even talking about that. I'm not talking about the brackets. I'm talking about the three system. Okay, the share recovery and all that stuff. That I know because I sat down and had to come up with something, right? And I came up with that, right? I'm not talking about who's selling in the brackets of the three system. That can be changed. I'm not saying that. That's right, Glock. You guys are smart. Headstock, because why wouldn't they wait for? Because they got other plays. They probably got stock given to them. Who knows? But I know for a fact they used to show their shares, okay, at the $70 range, up to it. They won't show their shares. They've been asked repeatedly. Matt Coors will kick you off the channel if you ask him that on your chat bar. Go there and ask him today. Go on there in capital letters. Just do a little test. If you don't really support him, go over there. Why don't a bunch of you go over there right now? Go onto his chat bar if it's not locked down by now. I'm banned. I'm banned from his channel. Like I said, we used to talk on Instagram, man, not on this shit. But what I wanted to say, go over there right now. Fact check me, guys. I would love it to. I'm not in a bad way, but go over there and just fuck around. Have some fun today. Go over to his channel right now and ask him that in big capital letters. And just, you guys keep on hammering on his fucking bar so he'll see it, okay? It'll take 3 or 4 of you because he has a lot of people. Just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste that question over and over and over, and he'll just kick you off. Okay, I'm telling you right now. Okay, I know how he rolls. Yeah, no, Sanjay, no. This is not a panic session. This education's power, my friends. This is power. Pure fucking power. Blue Sea, welcome to the channel. Everybody give him a warm welcome. I'm going to go get some coffee. What's up, traders? What's up, traders? Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna jump back and clock got. Okay, I'm just gonna read your guys' questions here. I was just out grabbing some Tim Hortons coffee. Well, not from the obviously from the store, but from my own store. Okay, whoa. Okay, I remember we were okay. I was here Blue Sea. That's where we left off. I don't watch Matt anymore. Yeah. Oh, guys. I wasn't trying to come off. You guys. That's up to you guys. What you do, of course, right? I'm just telling you that how things worked. Natalie, you got fucking blocked too. See, I told you guys. It is. That's all he does is he blocks, right? The only way I'll block somebody is if they disrespect one of you guys on the channel. No, I'm not talking about a battle of fucking sitting here going, oh, you said this, you said that. Not that stuff. Not that stuff. I'm talking about if somebody's coming on here. That's why we have the chat bar locked down to 10 minutes. It just weans out the majority of the bullshit. If somebody comes in here and starts swearing and fuck you and I seen you on another channel and none of that shit. I don't put up with that stuff. But if we have a debate going on, fuck yeah, I love debates, right? As long as it's not government. So Natalie, you got kicked off with talking about about the shorts. That's what I got kicked off. Back in the day, I came across an article. This is before anybody talked about naked shorts, okay, synthetics, okay, and he blocked me on Instagram, and I wrote him a letter saying, "Whoa, is there something wrong? Like, did I say something, or is it a mistake?" Nothing back. That's when I started building my channel. He actually was a decent guy at first, guys. I'm not going to put him down. They're bought. Yeah, that'd be awesome, Natalie. I'd fucking do it, but they wouldn't allow me because I'm too straight. They wouldn't want me on there. I'd stand up for you guys too good. That's the problem, right? The thing is No, I know Glock. That's why it's to do with money, guys. Because they're in lawsuits. They're getting sued. Okay. Notice they shut their chat bars down to some degree. What? Yeah, Matt even posted my picture? Are you fucking kidding me? What do you mean posted your picture, Natalie? I don't understand. Like, posted your picture and said bad stuff about you? Fuck, I'd sue him. That's not good, especially on national TV. Well, this is national, right? This is fucking across the world. Oh, what he made? Okay. Yeah. But what Brendan's talking about, at first he did, he helped me get my channel going. I really looked up to the guy. I'm going to be honest. I don't lie about stuff. And I just want to tell you that he gave me some pointers, and then it just got weird. Like when I started actually educating myself and started learning about stuff, because I'm old school, right? I didn't know about all this computer stuff and all these platforms and stuff. I'm fucking put up your hand and fucking go buy like that way, right? Executing orders that way, right? I had to really step my game up, right? Yeah, there you go, Brandon. Anyways, I'm not gonna bag on Matt anymore here. Sorry, I just gotta. I just was pointing something out. That's all I was doing, guys. I'm just doing that. That's what we do on here. The reason why we talk about people is not to put them down, not to smash them. Is just we gotta pick through the stuff that they talk about. I just he screenshotted my Twitter and talked and posted on his Twitter. Yeah, Natalie. Yeah, I know. That's what he did to me too. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. It is, Natalie. Don't worry. That'll never happen here to any of you guys. You've been with our channel for a while. It just, I know you're busy. Well, you're an actual real, you're always you're busy doing your own life stuff, right? And it's some of you guys I don't even see for fucking 4 or 5 months, right? And it's all good. Fuck. I'm not like that. Like, my door's open on my channel. You can come or you can fucking go, right? It is the way it is. Yeah, there you go. I like Bunt Block. Yeah, I've watched a couple of his stuff. He actually let me. He shared one of Citadel's posting with the fucking helicopter or that thing. He let me. He shared it. Let me borrow it. Right now, he's nice. He's nice, man. He lets people share his content. Mine's open too on my thing. That's what it will say. Reusable. That's what that means. It means that other creators can take my stuff if they're gonna make a video and it's educating and it's strictly for education purposes. I do not mind them using my content for that purposes. I'm all about people learning. That's right. You guys are the best traders out there. I'm telling you that right now. You guys wouldn't be on this channel. I'm just fucking with you. No, but the reason why I say that is because you're out there gathering, you're information gatherers. Like I said, there's a couple of different people in the world. And it is what it is, right? Like I said, I could have fucking 50,000 subs too. I don't want that. B-Ghost, how's it going? I don't want that. I don't want this chat bar just fucking rocking. It's not, I'm not after the money, right? There's a difference. If I was after all this money and stuff. Did he, Christopher? Oh my God. What now? Who's he blaming now? But, telling you, oh, Brandon, you seem like a cool person, man. That's all good. I don't want you guys sharing that, Chef. And if you go to different channels to watch stuff and you bring the knowledge over and share it with me, that's awesome, man. That's fucking cool. I don't mind you guys doing that. The one thing I don't like is coercing people to go, obviously, what are you fucking... I've had some people explode on me. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about, Cameron. And I just get pissed off because they don't like the truth. But then they try getting back on the channel. I've had that happen a couple times. The mostest. Aw, thank you guys. No, you guys make the channel. No, that's true. That's true, Jamal. No. Back in May, yeah. We did a survey on here, Jamal, and I think you were part of it there, gentleman, mister. And we did a survey on here to the average. What are the average? Who owns what? And it wasn't on AMC strictly, and it was just a survey, and it was just a quick. And you could participate, or it's up to you, right? And what we did was what was it? 40 people? I think it was 40 people, and the average. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because I think there's a majority of you actually. There's a couple old schools on here, which I call old schools. I don't mean that disrespect. I meant from the beginning of the channel. Christopher is one of them that was on here. Part of that. Sanjay was, I think. It was one of when we were drinking. We were partying one night on here. It was a Saturday night or Friday night. And we did a survey on that. and the average person owned 400 plus. Am I correct me if I'm wrong? Is that correct around there? Greg? Brandon, we're gonna have lots of it, brother. There's two different. I've explained this before. You just you don't know if you've there's two different types of halting, as you guys know, on the way up and way down. Okay, the halting on the way down is what I don't give a fuck. It can halt all day long on the way down. The way up is what I don't want. That's what fucks us. It cools the algorithm down. Oh, you guys can talk. Yeah, Jeremy. Yeah, you guys can talk about your price range. I only do it on our VIP channel, guys. I can't take the chance of us getting taken down. I'm kind of a bit of a pussy that way. But no disrespect to you ladies for saying that word. I shouldn't actually say that, but it is what it is. I already said it. So it is what it is. Yo, what's up? It's PVPI, no way! The official PVPI. Are you fucking kidding me? No. Is it? Do you know who that is, guys? My privilege, brother. Welcome to the fucking channel. He's the owner of Wall Street Breakers, guys. It's my partner. Buddy, he's never been on the channel live. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? He's the official owner of fucking Reddit Wall Street Breakers and Discord Wall Street Breakers. He is the mastermind that made it. You just had to jump on because we're into some serious talk, eh? And how's it going? Sorry, guys. I'll answer your questions in a second. I just got to talk to him here. How's everything going, buddy? I haven't talked to you in a while here, buddy. Yeah, I was gonna come into the Discord there, and I just got all tied up with stuff. Yeah, it is what it is, dude. I seen you're busy all the time, so I kind of let you do your thing, right? Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. So what do you think of all this crazy stuff going on with all these people talking? Monty. Okay, the person that would PVI, the guy that says appreciate it, man, right there with his hat, you'll see his avatar there. I had to show some support. You want to talk about shills and stuff? This guy weans through all that shit all day long. Way worse than me, man. You should see how many people try joining his channels and that he has to put up with. Oh, the other thing is, too, now that you're here, you guys are all welcome to go over to Wall Street Breakers if you want a really good Discord there to fucking talk about stuff. That's the owner right here of it. That's who I support up on the channel. You can see it right up there, Wall Street Breakers. We work together on stuff. Very educated man, and yeah, I can. He's helped our channel a substantial amount. And you're welcome to go over to his channel. If you look down underneath, I throw some support back here for him, and then I'll answer some of your guys' questions. If you go down underneath everything on the channel, then you can all his information's down there, okay, to join in that, as it always is. And yeah, I will answer some of your guys' questions because you got some stuff going in here. And your stock when I go to Okay, Lloyd, it's telling your broker to sell the stock when I have the stock in the rates. Okay. Limit sell is small doses. Yeah, I would definitely the small doses, bro. Yeah. Yeah, 100% about the shills. Yeah. Bad day on the market, it seems. Yeah, it is kind of. It is kind of. Oh, I got my chart down here. I was looking at some videos. I was watching that Lou video that you guys wanted me to watch. So it kind of. I got. Okay, brother, I'll come over to the Discord there. I'll come over there in the next day or two and we'll have a little chat. Okay, buddy? He's going to be in Mexico with us, by the way, guys. Oh, thanks, brother. Couldn't have done it without your support, man. Thank you. Yeah, it's getting up there, but it's getting to the... You know when something gets too big, it's like, I love this, how perfect the chat bar just runs. Right? You know what I mean, my friend. You know of all people. Anyways, I'll come say I'll come over to your channel. I'll come over there and say hi and stuff in the next couple days, brother. Yeah, it's good. Thanks for coming in and say hi, man. Thanks for coming in the chat. You have a good day, brother. Okay. I just wanted to yeah, if he bought some shares at AMC, like that many, that would do something for sure. See, he has a hard on for fucking hedge funds. He hates them. Okay, they've almost killed his company a couple times, guys. They almost hedged the shit out of it. Oh, somebody asked for the private channel or VIP or chat group. Who was that asked that? I'll go find you the link right now. PVI, you can have it too. I'm going to put it up here. Just give me a second. If you're already gone, you're gone. I'll get it to you. It's just a group that we go into. There's a bunch of us. It's not the whole channel. It's just a selected few that are on here that I talk to all the time. We go over there and we talk the real numbers and we talk some real fucking shit that we can't talk about. As you know, you get kicked off YouTube for that shit. So I will find it for you guys. Just give me a second. Have you guys ever heard of this? Well, what the hell happened here? Have you guys ever heard of this thing called DUO? Oh, Sanjay got blocked again. Behave yourself, Sanjay. Okay, new tab. Just give me a second, traders. I will find this for you guys. Is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, and you guys know that it's only, I gotta say it, doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna get in, okay? You have to be active on our chat bar. It's not like YouTube where you can just join and all of a sudden nobody knows who you are. This is a little bit different. We know who you are and all that stuff. And it is what it is. It's a very fucking tight-knit group. It's right here, brother. It's coming. It's coming. It's right there. There's the link. And Cap, you might want to grab this, bro. You might want to grab this link here. And Me getting blocked, yeah. Ah, you're funny. Oh, you bastard, stop doing that. Sanjay. I love it. You bastard. Is it good? How many, BMO, how many people can you have on it? How many people can you have on it? No, I'm just throwing it out there for a couple people that wanted it on here. Brandon can grab that, by the way. You might want to grab that link, Brandon, and put it somewhere safe. And Cap. It's just for a selected few people that have been on the channel for a while. Sanjay, behave yourself. What it is well, as you, of course, you guys, like Lloyd, you know. No, I don't know if I'm gonna have one this weekend. What I'll do is, I got your guys' emails, and we'll talk about it tomorrow. I'll know more what's going on. I'm just, like you said, we're in a fucking emergency evacuation order right now around my area, so I'm not gonna promise anything right now until maybe tomorrow I can find out a little bit more what's going on. So, any of that D, not sure, bro. Okay, because I can't find any information on it, dude. So what the problem that we're having, of course you can. I have a question for you, Jeremy. You're not related to Poor Boy, are you? Do you know who I'm talking about? Sanchez, you're oh yeah, no, talking to people, it's awesome. I was just wondering how many people we can have on there, because what's happening is this, our group's getting a little bit bigger now on there, which is awesome, right? It's really good quality, and I got all the bugs worked out pretty much. We're gonna hit a number where it just gets to and it won't allow any more buddy in. So I just no, Cap. Well, the snow melt, and we've had a bunch of dikes burst, and a whole bunch of shit, man. Go on to Google and just search British Columbia, Canada, okay? And for the Lower Mainland, and you'll trip right out. I'm surrounded by water, dude. You can go boating down the fucking road in a fucking boat. Like, we're up high right now, but all down below me is just water. There's no food coming in or nothing, man. I went up and the stores, this is worse than COVID, dude, here. Vancouver, Canada, there's 3 roads going out. They're all washed out. All the bridges have gone, everything. We're trapped. We're trapped here. It's crazy. So I'm just saying that if I don't show up one morning, that's what's happening, okay? It means I got my evacuation order. But it's going to be hard to kick me out of here, because like I said, I'll go on the fucking roof with my laptop and I'll broadcast off there, right? I just want to put that out there. Oh, and Natalie, grab that link, girl. I'm going to put it up again. Oh, it won't let me on there. I would love you to join us. Natalie, you've been on this channel for a substantial amount of time. And this link's all yours, girl. Oh, I did already. It already is on the top. I'm going to replace it. So, when we're in the squeeze, this channel's going to be going on the side. We're going to be running the YouTube channel, but I'm going to be having headphones on that directed to the other channel, because this is, I'll just be talking to you guys. This is a typing thing. The other channel, we're going to have be on our fucking game, okay? Things have changed a little bit. It's more versatile. I've just come across some information. Hey, Warren, how you doing? Aw, dude, do you feel better? Aw, dude, that's shitty. I hope you feel better, brother. So I just wanted to say that, yeah, British Columbia, Cap. Not Columbia, British Columbia. I know it's a weird name. British Columbia, Canada. Vancouver. You'll trip right out, dude. Right out on that one. So yeah, what I was saying, we're gonna be using that as for our live. I'm gonna be talking about prices. What I'm gonna be selling live on YouTube to some degree, but any little information that comes in, like personal stuff that'll benefit us traders, it won't be discussed on YouTube. You only can discuss certain stuff. The other channel, we can fucking talk about whatever we want, and we have, right? What the prices are, what we're doing, what all that kind of stuff, right? Oh, that's shitty. That's shitty, brother. That sucks, man. I know my wife is really sick right now. Oh no, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, Cal. It's all good. Glock, it automatically takes you there. If you want to install it, you can. I think you get more features. I don't really know about that because all my whole system's set up on Google. I know it's not the most secure thing, but I use DuckDuck as my search engine, so it jams up everything. It is what it is, right? Don't worry, my shit's like fucking tight. But yeah, I don't know when it takes to you that you can download it if you have an Android, but it says you can use Google Meet on any platform. I don't know if that's true. I think people were on there. You can use it on your phone, your computer, whatever. It's going to ask for code or link. That is your code and your link. It's all in one. If you click on it, it's not going to let you. It'll let you in the meeting, but the door won't open. I'm the only one that can access it, and that's the thing. The beauty thing, it's encrypted, big time. And I can see who's coming in. Even if somebody makes up a fake name off of the chat bar and, oh, this is so-and-so, I already know what you guys look like, right? So, and I control who comes through the door. It's like I'm the bouncer. I'm stamping your hand when you come through. Welcome, have a seat, have a seat, have a seat. It's kind of neat. Yeah, that's right. Oh, thanks, Warren. Yeah, she's under the weather for the last couple days. I don't know what it is. She has a couple, because she's had cancer. Remember I told you guys that she's leukemia 10, 12 years ago now. She has autoimmune problems from it, just like everybody does from the chemotherapy, right? It is what it is, right? We just deal with it all the time, but a couple times a year, she has issues, right, with it. It's sad as hell. Really fucking sad. It breaks my heart. But there's nothing I can do, man. Nothing I can do. Yes, that's correct, Warren. I wouldn't change that up on you guys. Nope. The link will always be the same. I was going to change it before the squeeze, but we'll just see how things go. Really don't want to fuck you guys up. But all it would be is the same platform, and you just swap the link out. I think we can use that link indefinitely. I think up to 300 hours or some fucking thing. But the problem is it only lets you be on it for an hour, 59 minutes, 60 minutes, and then it kicks us off. I don't know about going back on. We're definitely going to have to retest that to see if we can log back on. If we can keep on logging on and logging on, when it kicks us off an hour, everybody gets kicked off at the same time, which is beautiful. And then we can just log back on. But if we have to keep on doing that 6, 7 times in a day, because I'm going to be on all day long when we're in the squeeze, right? We'll have to test that out. But that DUO is a little bit better in some ways, but I don't know. Oh, thanks, Gloria. Oh, Gloria. No, it's not, Natalie. It's not Discord. It's a Google Meet app. And it's a secure group. So we can talk about whatever we want on the stock. Like, what we're selling it, or if the buy button's not on, are we going to swing trade the shit? Like, hey, or jump another fucking, you know what I mean, 500 shares, bam, should we ride it and then dump it? There's a whole bunch of things that we can do if they don't take the buy button off. If they do, we can notify each other on that. Plus, we'll be on the channel too. So I'm just trying to, because there's certain things I can't talk about on the channel, as you guys know, right? And with this, we can talk about whatever. And Sanjay can swear as much as he wants on there. If he gets his mic working. Did you get that fixed, Sanjay? Yeah, that's right, Natalie. Yeah. Don't worry, we're gonna try to make as much as we can. This channel's a little bit different than most, right? I want you guys to make more money than me. Okay, I like I said, I got my areas, but I just like to see you guys happy. Like I'm a different type of bird, right? Like it is what it is. I'm not the type that gets jealous over people. Yeah, in case, yeah, that's true, Mr. L. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of things besides, in case YouTube goes down, a whole bunch of stuff like that. That will be our thing. I just want to get it out there. I do have your emails. Natalie, do you have my email? Here's my email. In case things goes right sideways, this is what I send the links out on. Nope, laptop. Okay, you figured it out though, bro. Good. And I don't know if you have this, Natalie, but it's here. And for anybody else that wants it, that's one of our people that talk on here and that knows me. And if it's not, then I won't respond. Okay, just how I am, right? If they flip the internet switch, your shares still get sold. Yep. They do. But Brandon, there's problems with that. And you guys can help them out on that. People have had problems with that, just so you know. In big orders. Okay, I'm just telling you, in big orders, sometimes they get rejected and not filled. The other channel is it's just a meeting place that we talk on, Catherine. The link's right on the top. I've taught, yeah, I've already, yeah, I think, yeah, it's on the top still. What it is it's just our backup stuff, right? Yeah, no problem. No problem. Yes, I will. And I have backup data here, guys. I have a data off 5G signal coming into my house. If the internet's not going to go down, but because I have fiber now, but let's just say it does, okay? We're not as much targeted as the States is for market manipulation, guys. As you know, payment for order flow is illegal up here. Shelving orders is illegal. There's a whole bunch of stuff that's illegal up here that people don't participate in, so it makes it less versatile. That's funny, Laura. Oh, thanks, Natalie. But yeah, so that's our backup. I like I said, I can always go off my phone. That Google Meet doesn't burn that much data. It's only seven. It's not 1080p or 4K. It's only 720, so it burns like half the data, probably even less than that. It is what it is. 1080 burns about a gig an hour, so that probably burns about 700 megabytes an hour. So that I could stay on that for a while. Obviously, I go to unlimited data immediately. I can call my provider and get it switched right over an app to unlimited, and that's what I would do. I can. Okay, just have 100 shares, maybe do half some other. Brandon, that would be a little bit, I don't know if you'd have problems with 100 shares, but you can always do it in two different orders, bro. You can set your price target and then 2 cents under or 50 cents, set another one, right? Right, brother? That's all it is what it is, right? Um, yes, I can check out Pelton. Is that what you want me to check out? PTON? Okay, let me have a look here. Is that what this is all ordered? Is he's having tax problems? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense, man. And somebody in his thing, like, he's the one percenter club, man. Fuck, they don't pay taxes. No, they do, but I'm joking around. PTON. Is that Pelton? Yeah, it is Pelton. Ooh. Here, I'll put it on the 1 minute. Ooh, shit. Yeah, guys, Lloyd, you don't own in this, right? I told you guys to stay the fuck away from this. Or are you just watching this? Yes, you can. Yes, you can, brother. Chris, yes, you can, bro. Yep. You can even use your smartphone. I don't know if you can on Apple. I think, yeah, you can watch Google on Apple. Yeah, that doesn't, why would I even say that? That doesn't make sense. Or no, Google is, and I don't know, it's both platforms, I'm pretty sure by now. No, I don't. Okay, Lloyd. Oh, fuck, you had me stressing there, little guy. Well, sorry, I shouldn't say that. Young man. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I'm used to. Okay. Thanks, Natalie. Yeah, and I'll just send you something back like, hey, I got it. It's just what I have is a master list of all your guys' emails. And if that code, because of infiltration fucking shit, if too many people, I've already had it happen. We were on one day and I had like 4 people trying to get in our channel that I don't even fucking know. So they didn't get in. And what will happen is I'll switch that code like right away, and then I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just saying it could happen where I'll switch the code and then nobody bothers me. I don't want to be distracted, thing going bleep, bleep in the corner and people trying to get in that I don't even fucking know. So what I do is have a master list of your guys' emails, and I just hit one check mark and it goes, and then I send one email out, a master email, and it goes out to all of you guys. There's the code. See you in a couple minutes. Done. That's how I roll. But no, that's how I like stuff. Just nice and clean like that. Okay, so Pelton, we called this a little while ago that it was going to go down. This has been, they are in some lawsuits, man. This is when we had that big down pull. They've been having it rough, okay? You guys got to think, nobody's working out at home. Gyms are starting to open up again. I know people buy these things for their personal gyms. It's a one-time expense. The shit lasts forever. It's on a big warranty. There's a whole bunch of negatives against it, but there's a whole bunch of positive. It's a fucking brilliant product. They had problems with the seats snapping and people face planting into the machines, and I think somebody has been killed, or a couple of people have been killed from bleeding in the brain from it. And just shit like that, right? I don't know I don't know all the aspects of it. I just know that they're in some, I don't know if it's been settled out of court. I don't know anything about it. I just seen it on the news probably like 2 or 3 months ago, and it's been bleeding ever since then, okay? But thank you, Lloyd, for bringing this up, because I haven't been looking at this one. And that's when it happened. When COVID started coming back in. Let's have a look here. When gyms started opening at the beginning of the month. Yeah, there you go, right there. That's weird. It started bleeding just before market. Ha! That would have screwed the hedgies around. Look at that. That wouldn't have affected us. Oh, until the next day. It's almost down 50%, guys. Holy shit. It is down 50%. It is down 50%. Holy crap. Wow. That's scary, man. That's fucking scary. There's a lot of people in on this too. I know that. Just because it was such a good product. Yeah, I really can't see this recovering, guys. To back to where it was. Like I said, the gyms are opening up and all that kind of stuff. I need that damn code. It's on the top, bro. BMO, it's on the top. I can't make it any more clearer, dude. It's pinned on the top, brother. Sanjay. Hey, that would work too. Come to my channel, man. I'll talk to you. I'll send you an email. I'm not that important. Come on, guys. That's funny. I like you're hilarious, Sanjay. Yeah, that's right, Cap. I did tell those. You're funny. Oh, for sure, for sure. He knows that his stock potentially could not go back into those areas again. He no, I know you're joking, brother. He knows that it potentially could not go into those figures again. He knows there's a fire sale coming up. The guy's not fucking stupid. Okay, he knows his stock's gonna crash like huge, probably down in the $100 figures, 100 plus, $200, $300 range. Will it recover? Yes, it will. Will it recover to the number it is? No. It's a managed squeeze. Everybody knows that it's in a squeeze right now. Okay, that is a managed stock squeeze, guys. It's shorted to shit. It has been forever. And that's what we don't want AMC to do. Is that? That's called a managed squeeze. Okay, they're managing it. They're putting it up to wherever they want. They're using a whole bunch of tactics on it. Have you Googled about Elton? Google Elton and hedge funds. There's a video on it. He will tell you. Thank you, Monty. He will tell you about. I'll reply back to them in a bit. It might even be by tomorrow, dude. Just because I got a lot. Okay, Monty. I'll look over in there in a second, guys. So there's a video on it. Okay, and it tells you they've almost bankrupted his company twice. Okay, they shorted the shit out of it, and then after he went public, they shorted even more to piss him off. Okay. He's fucking with hedge funds. He's fucking around with them. He's not stupid. He hates them. But he realized, he also says that they have to be there in some aspects. Like, the guy's brilliant, man. Right? Okay, I'm going to go over to my email, guys. And I'm going to check out over here for you guys to make sure that I know I probably have a big influx of emails here. Oh, and you guys, in your email, if you have a different handle, you're using a different handle, like say Sanjay, we know he has a different name. No, I'm just joking. I like picking on Sanjay. Probably. I wouldn't tout it, Brandon. So yeah, guys, if you go by a different name, and the guys that have already mentioned it, and then I'm already on the same page as them, you don't need to re-put it in an email. I already got it. But if you're going under a different name on here, which is a lot of people do, okay. I used to too on different channels, but everybody knows me now, so it doesn't really matter. I just got to watch what I'm saying on other channels, right? Because it comes back and bites me in the ass. I usually bite my tongue most of the time. So that's all I wanted to say. Okay, let's go over to some emails here. I'll be back. I'm not going anywhere, but I'll just be 2 seconds here. Depends on how many we got. Holy shit! No, I'm just joking. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Thanks for adding your real name there. There you go, Mont. There's one coming back at you. Oh, I better check spam too. That happens too. I wasn't even thinking about that. These people are on glue. I just got an email. Yeah, thanks, brother. I got her. It's already on your. It should be on your desk, bud, right now. So I just wanted to say, it's funny. I got an email from a company wanting to sell me subscribers. You can actually buy subscribers. It's $1,000, and you can buy 500,000 subscribers. It's true. You can buy IP addresses. But people don't realize it doesn't go off the amount of subs you own. It goes off of the amount of hits you have on your video. Yeah, no kidding, eh? That's funny. That's hilarious, Sanjay. Okay, let's jump off here. Let's go check some stuff out. Yeah, crypto's oh. Sorry guys, I just had to stretch a little bit there. Dogecoin's back down to 22 cents. That went lower than I thought it was. Remember I said it was going to go back down to 30 cents. That was, or no, 28, and it went lower. Fuck. I just know because some of you guys own that. Oh my god, look at Sheepcoin. Fuck. Gloria, I'm sorry there, girl. And a bunch of you on that. Cardano's almost down to $1.70. Damn, 7 more cents and I gotta load up. Fuck, I might dump 10 grand. Because I know I can flip that. I know it's going to go to back to $2 and some chump change. 30 cents. 30 cents, that would be $2. That would be 30% profit. That'd be $3,000. Profit on 10 grand. Fuck, I should do it. And then I got to pay taxes on that, which is almost half, so that's $1,500. Still worth it, I guess. It's just hard to execute that many shares, though. That'd be 5,000 shares. Oh, Cap, they have huge in crypto. The crypto market's going to crash. That's why I'm saying that if you own crypto, you have a choice to make. Okay, either hold it and it'll go back. It'll go back up. It could take a while, but it'll go back up. Maybe not to the numbers it is now. Eventually, it probably will. But like I was explaining before, crypto you can trade 24 hours a day. Okay, it's the easiest thing to liquidate. You can get money in your account within the next day. Some of your banks have it connected right to the bank. Okay, or not banks. Sorry, platforms like yeah, it's the first thing they'll be liquidated is crypto because they know they can buy it back and they know that it's not shorted. Or sorry, I'll say that. Recorrect that. There's no synthetics in there. It's a foolproof gimmick, okay? They know that. They know that they're not going to fucking get fucked, okay? Pardon my language. AMC's, yeah, we're hitting at that level here. We've gone up a little bit. And I said it was going to go up. We could have a big push tomorrow, guys. I think I'm a little 38's what 30. Remember I said low, or I said low fifth. Well, I said high 40s, just below 50. That was my prediction on the upper scale. And then I said the lowest it will go to is 38. I can't see it going any lower than that. So that was our channel for the week. We'll see what tomorrow has to bring, right? I hope it's on the upper edge. GameStop's at 209. It's not much below. Fucking BlackBerry's back down to where it was before. Yeah, my whole portfolio is pretty much. I don't own Tesla. Oh, Tesla's back up to 1100 again. Plus 15%. Yeah. It'll go down just with the rest. So yeah, I only got one stock in the green today. Yeah, Gloria. That's true. That you only lose if you sell. If it's below what you want, yes, 100%. But I ran out of time. Oh yeah, that's right. You came on the channel, just said there. How safe are dividends in a market crash? Yes, you can lose your money. You can lose your initial investment. Okay. The way the dividends work is you lose. So I just wanted to see you later, Proud. You have a great day. Ali, how you doing? So Warren, what with the dividend stocks? Sorry, I was just having a look at the screen there. Your initial investment, yes, it can go down. Okay, you can lose money in your initial investment, but if the company is sustaining its money coming in, okay, the crash in the market, the fire sale, it's not necessarily going to affect your royalty, your dividend royalty. The dividend royalty goes off of what the company's making. Okay, the company's generating money, right? They can't control what the stock is doing in their company. Does that make any sense to you guys? It doesn't matter what the price of the stock is. That doesn't affect what that royalty is. Okay, so you can lose your initial investment, but your royalty, if the company's generating like a cash machine and it's fucking going and going and going, and it's in their quarters are sustainably even across, you're going to keep on making money. But if you are thinking about selling it, yes, you can lose money if it's in its low. Yes, you get what it says. But a dividend play, this is not financial advice, should be a lifetime investment. Dividend stocks aren't necessarily something that you fucking paper trade. It's a totally different thing. When you're into a dividend play, usually you're setting it's a retirement play, okay? You're setting yourself up for compounding interest. You're the bank, okay? You're turning yourself into a bank machine, okay? So say if you have a dividend play, any one of them. I'm just going to use any one of them for an example. And you hold it for 20 years, okay? You have it in your trader's account. You don't fucking touch it, okay? And to put the tax-free savings account is a brilliant thing to put it into, okay? And I just wanted to say that it compound interest on you, okay? So when you get your quarterly money, right, you gain that money, and then you keep on getting money. You're going to get double the money. It compounded, okay, to double. And it'll just keep on doing that, and keep on doing that, and keep on doing that for however long you keep it in there. For somebody like Lloyd, 19 years, or I think, how old are you again? I'm sorry, no disrespect, young man, but anyways, he's in his 20s. If he puts in some money in there and holds it until he's 55, 65, he's going to have a lot of fucking money in there. That thing's going to be compounding every quarter, right? So that's what it is. You're making yourself a retirement fund. And it's, if you sell it, that generator, you're stopping it. It stops dead in the water. Okay. So that's my explanation on that. Does that help you guys at all? What time is it? Is there a time? Oh, it is our time. We're going to be bouncing off air here, guys. We're over. 18 years old. Hey, Lloyd, I have a question for you. Shit. What is legal trading age in the States, dude? I know you're not trading anything like that. I just need to ask this question. It's 21, isn't it? I just want to give you some heads up, brother. If you go into stocks at an age without, I put it in your parent. I'm giving you not financial advice. This isn't financial advice. I'm just telling you factual information. You might want to put it into your parents' account. Okay, get them to do it or something like that, because you cannot cash in on that. Okay, and the government can come and fucking take it. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. That's what I would do if it was me at that age. You're allowed to do that. You're allowed. Your parents are allowed to make investments for you. That's not illegal. Okay. I just don't want you buying into a bunch of stocks like AMC and then you go to the fucking bank and try cashing it out, and they screw you. Okay. Or in any stocks. Okay. All you do is just go to the fucking, just call your trader department and with your parents. I'm just trying to protect you, bro. It's all good. I'm not giving you shit or anything. No. This is for your own protection. There's ways that it's not illegal what we're talking about. Your parents are allowed to do that for you, right? I know that for a fact. But I know you're here just getting knowledge. And there's nothing wrong with that, man. There's nothing wrong with that. We're just talking, right? There's a difference between talking and doing shit. So, yeah, my friends. Whoa, Dogecoin's down to 21 cents now. Holy fuck. That's gone down lots. That's down almost a quarter. Oh, it's back to 22. Fuck, that almost bled. That's 50% almost in the last month, isn't it? It's 18, I think, here. Is it? Okay, Warren. I don't know. But it's 18 there, but I thought you can't go into the casinos until you're 21. I don't know. I'm just, it's all good. You're in Illinois? Okay. You guys would know more than that. I'm just trying to look out for you, buddy. I just don't want you to screw yourself. That's all. Like I said, I don't know the laws there. It's 21 in Illinois. You might want to check into that, bro. That's all. Your parents are probably pretty cool anyways. Oh, okay. Okay. There you go. I just wanted to check that. It sounds like you got it covered, right? I just don't want... Yeah, this is weird. This crypto's all going down like this. It's going down a substantial amount, man, in the last day. Because that's weird that fucking Cardano's down that fucking low. Fuck. That's people selling. That's the only reason why it can go down that low is people are selling it. Because you have to remember, there's no synthetics in crypto. That's pure fucking purchasing and buying and selling power. That's all that is. Yeah, Kim, I know. I did the whole market's red right now. I want to see how much I'm at. See how much. Guess what's up? Guess what's going. What is it, Cap? What's going up? What stock? Oh, really? That's crazy, Monty. I'm just gonna have a look here, guys, before I jump offline here. I just want to have a look at. Look at something here. Just gonna see how much money I lost today. Down 3,366. I still have $115,888 in my account. Still have 120, almost 115 grand just over in my trader's account. So, but I've lost fucking, because I'm very transparent with you guys. Today on the market with these little percent here, one down here, one here, one here. I'm down. Oh, it just changed. I went down more. $3,615 today. I'm down 3.03% on my portfolio today, which is quite a bit, actually. That's over average. Yeah, I noticed that Tesla's up 1.41. Or I should reset that thing here. I don't have Ethereum up here. Why the fuck isn't Ethereum on our list? Oh, it's down 7% too. It's still at 4 grand though. Fuck, I'm still up there on it. My whole 25 shares. I think I might cash that out. I bought it at like 3 grand, 2 grand. I think I did. 2,200 I think I bought it at. It was free. 25 free shares. Through my broker, they gave them to me. You currently have 1 point. That's not much, Monty. It should be the trillion, shouldn't it? Holy fuck. That's not much. That's all you guys have in your treasury? That's not much, man. I know the banks have too much money right now. I know that. There's been made articles on it. They printed too much money. It's not good for the economy. Chris. I just met Bruce Willis. Did you? Die Hard. Bruce Willis is cool, man. I like him. Yeah, Chris, that's not, and Monty, that's not much fucking money, man. That's scary, guys. Holy fuck. Even I picked up on that, and I'm a fucking Canuck. And I picked up on that. You gotta have a trillion in there, man. No, I know you're saying 1.9 billion, but that's nothing. That's like fucking nothing. They can print out more stimulus, but that hurts the market. That's what hurt the market, was printing money. Makes your guys' money worth not that much, right? Hang on a second. Hello? Speaking. Good, how are you doing? 100,000 people watching. Is there any way to call it back in about 15 minutes? I was just dropping off Guess what that was? That was that employer calling me to work. They want some bridges welded. He's calling me back in 15 minutes. Yeah, that's true, Cap. Yeah, that's true. They can sell Alaska. Fuck, we didn't want it. We sold it to you guys. It's too. We don't want that. No. There's a lot of gold up there, though. Oh, okay, Monty. Okay. Excuse me. That's so friggin' cool, Warren. We have a president? You guys are fucking awesome. You guys are hilarious. Okay, guys, I gotta bounce off here. I'm actually a half an hour over schedule here. Not that we have a schedule. I'm gonna bounce this on AMC to close the day. We're down to 40. It's probably gonna stay around this area. Like I said, it should not go below 38. No, I didn't, Warren. Okay, guys, I got a live interview in 15 minutes, so I gotta get off of here. And I remember I told they had a natural disaster emergency shit. Well, I just got called in by the city to come fix some bridges for them because I have all those tickets. Like I said, they need some seismic work done, some seismic upgrading. So there's only very few people in the province that have that ticket. I'm one of them. So yeah, we're gonna negotiate some wage and see what's going on here. We'll see if they'll pay me over 100,000 a year because I don't get out of this seat for less than 100,000 a year. So you guys are awesome. So guys, you guys have a great day. I'll see you here tomorrow morning, and I love you all, Wolfpack. And you guys take it easy, and we'll see what tomorrow has to bring for us. It is what it is. Okay. Okay, peace, guys. You have a great day.